fixing the almost perfect shot. You capture the moment perfectly, but the composition isn't quite there. A distraction on the edge, a subject slightly off, that's where cropping makes all the difference. In Aftershoot, cropping isn't just about trimming your image, it's about refining composition quickly and consistently across your entire shoot. To get started, head to the Edit tab and select an image. You'll find the crop and straighten tools right in the editing panel, ready to use as part of your workflow. If you enable cropping during editing, Aftershoot can automatically straighten horizons and adjust framing for you. You can also choose how strong the crop should be using modes like lenient or aggressive, depending on how much adjustment your images need. And if you're working with specific formats, you can set your preferred aspect ratio in advance, so your images are cropped consistently for delivery. This helps clean up your images instantly without needing to fix each one manually. And when you want more control, it's all there. You can drag the crop edges, reposition your subject, and use the grid overlay to guide your composition. You can also rotate slightly to fix alignment or adjust or lock aspect ratios if needed, all within the same panel. One of the biggest advantages here is consistency. Instead of adjusting every image one by one, you can maintain clean, balanced composition across your entire set. When you're working with similar images like a ceremony or a portrait sequence, you can apply cropping adjustments across multiple photos, saving you a huge amount of time while keeping everything visually aligned. Good cropping doesn't just fix images, it improves focus, removes distractions, and strengthens the story your photos are telling. If you're already editing in Aftershoot, make sure you're using cropping to its full potential, because small adjustments like this can make a big difference in your final gallery.